Hi everyone. Today my topic how to create a GCP compute engine. I'm going to explain. The agenda is first of all before creating for GCP, I have used small skip for that. Uh, First of all, actually the people are try to create an account with GCP. They are providing their credit card details. It will be some issue. Suppose once you try, we are giving once will be the billing will be very constant. There all the other people are thinking like that, but it was not an issue. But I am creating the GCP account. I am given my access pack account details. Once access the account details, it will be deducting for 2 rupees. That 2 rupees will be refunded and it will be asked for auto debit option. That thing you need to enable, and once it will be enabled, it will be get some message from the bank. You can go to and you can log in and remove your card. Once the card is removed, it will be asked for verification details. Just we have to provide your PAN card or driving license or your phone bill. It will be not an issue. Then you can go to you can utilize your application up to 3 months. I created a this uh, for 3 months. It will be given for my validity of month March 2024. I will go you how to go to how to get compute engine. Before that, because we have to create any resources, you can try to use for different projects. Because if we want to remove a project, the project entire project will be gone. That's the reason we need to for best practices we need to maintain forward thread. So if you want to create some EKS cluster, you need to create a new project. It will be very better. Suppose you want to delete, it will be deleted automatically if it's further based on the requirement. But I'm using for this way. I'm just going to compute engine and there were the more services are available. And I will go to show you. Once you have created GCP, so GCP is providing 300 free credits for the new customer. Uh, just every 3 months, I'm creating one new account for this concern only. Uh, I'm just creating once my lab is done, I'm just reworking the resources in the GCP side. The same way I'm doing from last so many days. For that, I'm just going to create a new compute engine. You can go to set bar, and then otherwise you can go to here create a uh, compute engine. Because I am getting this product information because I try to chase the steps and trying to do some uh, research. That's the reason I'm getting this way. I'm going to compute engine and created one resource for my Jenkins lab. Can you go? You can try to export image, resource image. I'm just creating a new image. Just select for that. And instance name, you can provide whatever based on the test one, I think one. Okay. Uh, Here regions are different. Why? Because because the low latency is required, the billing will be different. I suppose you are trying to create a, instance on even nearby, and so maybe it will be cost around 50. Uh, if you come to the US Central one, Lova, it will be cost is different, nearly $10 to $28 per month. It will be. I will show you. I'm going to create. I'm staying in my location. I'm giving Mumbai. Here, $30 will be there. Monthly will be $30. Okay. With 2 CP and 4 GB memory. I'm just trying to same thing. I need to select for the different region. Coming to the Lava. Yeah. You can see here the billing will be changed because based on the requirement only, it will be uh, the concern. You can try to select whatever zone, ES, 1A, 1B, 1C. These are the different zones, availability zones. I'm just trying to select for the E2. It will be 20, 0.2 try to 32 vCPU and memory 1 to 3.5, 1 to 128 GB based on availability. I'm just selecting for E2. E2, here you can see E2 medium and E2 small, E2 micro. It will be various. You can see we are trying to change. The cost will be changed, and you can see the cost will be changed. In this region, you can go to by default. Just a moment. Okay. I'm just selecting very small instance because this is the building my concern. You can go to whatever. I'm working very small instance. Understand it. If you want to the available policies, you can add the provisioning model and coming to the confidential VM. Confidential computing is disabled on this VM. If you require, you can enable. Uh, Deploy and enter images on the VM. If you require, you can go to. Otherwise, not required. If you want to check, actually, I want to install. I need to provision for the Ubuntu OS. This is my favorite OS. That's the reason I'm selecting. I'm just selecting. It will be selected 20.04 LTS. We will go to provision. I'm just giving for 30 GB for my hard disk. And that is select. And if you want to allow, if you have already created some any user, you can select for the user who want to access in outside of the network. If you want to require, you can enable firewall, HTTP, HTTPS. Hello, I'm not required as of now. I'm just selecting for the HTTPS traffic only. Just click create. Now, first, once you have everything okay, you can just try to create. You need to cross check before that what you are, which your type of sensor you selected. Just create, select create. It will provisioning the mission. If you can see, they started the creating. It will take a little bit time, depend on the internet speed in the backend. It was created. Here it was created. We have to created with a test one. I want to connect. You can right click. You can try to click for the oh, open browser or in browser window or custom port. You can try to log in with the private key. I'm just trying to create it for the browser because it's very fantastic feature for this. It will be directly go to SSH. We can log in. I will show you. Uh, it will be asked allow. You just create allow. How it will be work? It's connecting with the SSH server. Yeah, it was open. Yeah, it's almost done. It's great. Suppose I want to in I want to check what are the any to do APT. Just sorry. Sorry, I forgot the command. I need to cross it. Go to official document. You can go to sudo apt minus get update. It will be better. The spelling was wrong. Yeah, now it was happening. You can see here. Suppose if I want to install simple website, I will go to open to sorry. I can go to just allow but today. Plus, I will continue with the correct session for the creating website. I will be adding another video.